What's going on, guys? Jason Ridge from Pizza Wolf Magic, and I'm here at the United Methodist Church in beautiful Salineville, Ohio. And I'm here to promote my show tomorrow night, 6 o'clock p.m. Tomorrow night at 6 o'clock p.m. I can't stress this enough. We need people to fill some chairs here. The show is by donation. 100% of the proceeds go to Kids Helping Kids. These kids are going to do the Phil Cruiser program, stuff like that. I mean, it's an amazing event. It's going to be a really good event. I hope to see you there. I got a card trick for you. Check this out. What we got here is 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Perfect poker hand, right? Perfect poker hand. But see, the thing about it is, with a poker hand, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, right? If one of those cards don't fall into place, let's say one of them doesn't fall into place, you don't have such a good hand. Well, sometimes you do. Look, got 1 ace, 2 aces, 3 aces, 4 aces. All 4 aces in the deck. 2, 3, 4. So, come to my show tomorrow night. It's going to be a good time, good family fun. Afterwards, there's going to be popcorn and refreshments, I believe. I'm not really positive on that, so if not, I'll tell you what, I'll buy you a bag of popcorn. All right, you guys have a good one. Thank you.